Hi, I'm Tisha. I live in New York. I am a mom to two teenage boys, and I do real estate. My feet have been causing me so much soreness and achiness for years and years. I come home from the end of my day, and I just have to prop my feet right up on the couch, take my shoes off immediately. I used to teach aerobics classes. I would teach like 10 classes a week. And since then, my feet have just killed me. I don't know exactly what has caused this, but I have so much soreness in my feet every day. And I've gotten to the point where I had to wear tennis shoes every day, no matter what. So I have tried every kind of insole there is. The insoles would only help to a certain degree. Prior to Signal Step, because of the discomfort, I was missing out on wearing cute shoes, cute boots, cute outfits, because I always had to wear sneakers. And I was missing out on my great hikes, my exercise routines, and just even my daily walks. Prior to starting Signal Step, I was so skeptical. How is this going to work? I did not think this was going to give me any relief. Like, come on. There's no way these are going to help relieve my discomfort, my achy feet. I've tried so many insoles, but let me tell you, I was wrong. I put them in my house shoes, and within, I would say, about 12 to 15 minutes, I was like, wow, my feet feel so much better. When I wake up in the mornings, my feet just ache. I'm telling you, when you put these in your shoe, it's going to make all the difference. Felt so much better. There was relief, and it's almost magical. I was so shocked. I was so shocked when I used these. Since I started using Signal Step, my life has improved so much. I am back to exercising. I'm back to hiking. I'm back to taking totally long walks with my dog. I can dress cute and wear my cute shoes and my cute boots, and my feet are not aching by the end of the evening. So I feel very fortunate that I found something I can just put in my shoe. They're so thin, you don't know they're there, but they actually work. They give me the relief I need.